Red. Wow, it's like in Tallinn. I have read that they have everywhere speed camera.
Oh, I don't get it, yeah.
It's
It
wrong.
said 50, yeah.
Calm down, please. I had this Hyundai Sonata.
우리 엄마 처음으로 이제 한국에서 운전할 건데 어떻게 될지 궁금하네요. How are you feeling? You're gonna now soon drive a car for the first time in Korea.
Let's see. I was looking from airplane, and it is not such countryside. I was thinking.
Oh, you were thinking more than this?
I was thinking
This
that
is
it
like-
is like countryside,
this
but
is
it
like
isn't
Tallinn.
countryside.
It's like
It's
Tallinn.
quite normal city. Can you see? In Pärnu, we doesn't have such kind of house, for example.
Like the high building.
Like this one, and Pärnu is also a city.
I mean, yeah, it's not countryside, but it's countryside compared to Seoul.
Okay. Compared to Seoul, most of cities are countryside.
Estonia is a countryside.
All Estonia is countryside, I think. I was asking yesterday from AI that what is difference driving North Europe and in South Korea. It answered me that most things they are similar, but there are this way, this culture is different.
A culture there.
Yeah. More temperament.
Yeah.
That if you let some distance between
Yeah,
previous car, then
Somebody will come in.
yes,
Yeah.
it's like sign that you are welcome to
yeah.
to come, and that the people doesn't like show suunatuld. Ma ei tea, mis see on.
Like turning light.
Yeah, turning light.
I mean, most people try to not do like that, Mom. I think it's.
I don't know. It
Come
was
on.
written. AI answer me. I'm curious what kind of car you choose for me.
I think
Maybe it's very, very, very tiny. Tiny
is
is
the more
good to park
cheaper
for parking, and it is cheaper. Yeah. ma pean nagu vaatama.
vaatabki.
Nii. Siin on gaas, siin on pidur. Nii, siin on neutral drive. Park. Praegu on ta parking. Ja mis see on huvitav? See siin. View, see on see või?
Ma ei tea, see vist ekraani peab. Ma ei tea.
Et see on küll huvitav. Aga kus on võti?
Võti oli siin selle sees, näe.
Okei. Ja kuidas selle käima saab?
Oh my god, võtit sa ka ei oska teha või?
Ei. Pean vaatama eelmisest tuleb vaadata.
Selle töö.
Ei, see on nagu nii drive mode. Huvitav, mis see on? Siin on siis hoopistükkis, kuidas ta engine start on. Näed, siin on nupp ainult. Ma panen korra kingi, siis panen uuesti lahti.
Et sa kordad, et sa ei oska tööle panna või?
Ei noh, jah, et
Ei, sa
nagu
oskad siin
proovitud.
nuppi.
Käime hakkama.
It's first time with a gas car. Aga 49 minutit sõitu, nii et...
Nii, sa hakkad mind juhendama.
Ja ma tahan, sa panen see tööle ja ma panen selle navigation ette sulle.
카드를 넣어주세요.
Okei, 갑니다. 엄마. 야, läheb. 긴장됩니다, 엄마. A little nervous.
Every new car, you know, you have to just look around and learn how to use it.
But you're doing quite well.
The car is doing quite well, not me. And it is easier to drive because it's automatical. This
Automatic, yeah.
yeah.
It's 50, so
I see, and all the people they are
driving
they
faster.
have faster.
Yeah. Koreans.
But I have read that they have everywhere speed
Cameras,
speed camera.
Ja.
Jah. Kas ta tahab, et me vasemale sõidab?
Ei, ta ei lähe vasemale. Vaata kaarti lihtsalt ära.
Ma vaatan kaarti, jah,
Ära,
nagu
ära,
arusaamatu
kinni
täitsa. You know, when you was born, then I had this Hyundai Sonata, yes, and we were driving together with you. You were in little baby seat. Because I was 30 when I got my driver license. I start to learn. how to drive. Before that, you know, something happened. After my father died, I got feeling that I have to be more responsible, take more responsibility. And driver, you are responsible. Until this point, I was thinking that my husband can drive, and I can just be lady next to him.
Passenger princess. Yeah.
But now driving a car, it means for me freedom. It is freedom. Because you can go when you want. You don't have to follow the public transportation schedules. With red. Wow, it's like in Tallinn. Quite same. And they didn't care about these cameras.
This is a 30 zone.
30.
Yeah, 30 zone. Yeah.
It's gonna be not yet. No, it was like, make a fish.
Yeah. I've crossed this mom before.
I made.
Sa pead olema, sa oled liiga üle. It lets you know, it makes a sound if you're...
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
See on kaamera ikka palju.
It's okay. Because I saw there was 50.
I know, but you can trust this. It's gonna let you know really well.
I trust my eyes also.
But better be safe than sorry. But everyone's driving so fast compared to you. Yeah,
Can you see?
yeah I can see, yeah.
Or past me.
Yeah, we are driving very responsible drivers. It's 50 now.
What's up?
I don't get it. Yeah,
It's wrong.
It said 50. Yeah,
It's
I don't know
wrong.
why.
I saw. I don't want to be stupid.
Yeah. I agree. Why is this?
Seal oli kirjas ju 50, et sa ei sõida.
Yeah, I saw.
Calm down, please. Machine.
The machine doesn't know as well as we do right now. Yeah, you can see the signs everywhere.
In Estonia, we know that there are some 10% you can drive with higher speed.
So if it's 50, it's like 5. You can go 5 over.
Right road, I guess.
Yeah, we're on the right road.
It's interesting to drive first time here. Let's see how we can
You know
survive.
what bus this is?
Nope.
This bus?
School.
Yeah, it's kindergarten.
Kindergarten bus.
Yeah.
Oh. Do they collect all the children from homes and wow. Oh, 60. Me võime nüüd kiiresti sõita, juhu. Meri on kõrval, nii tore.
Ma lihtsalt annan sulle teada, et sinnapoole minna, seepärast sa pead sõitma seda teed järgmised 12 kilomeetrit.
Ma saan aru.
Et see ei pea olema aeglasem all real.
Ma pööran ära siis, kui mul kõrvalt autod ei tule.
Ei, ma mainin sulle, emme.
Et ma ei saa enne pöörata ja praegu nüüd ma olen juba üle selle speedi.
Ole siin, miks sa tahad kohe vahetada?
No tegelikult on nii, et kõigepealt sõidetakse paremal pool, et mööda sõitjad sõidavad vasemalt pool.
Jaa, sõida siis vasemal, see on fine, kõik on sinna. Kõik tahavad kiiresti minna.
Seda küll, aga ma ei tohi liiga.
Ei, sa võid, siin on fine. Pole vahe, mis pool lainil sa oled. Kui sa tahad olla väga aeglane auto, nagu see buss siin või see auto seal, siis sa oled siin pool. Aga need, kes tahavad normaalse kiirusega sõita, sõidavad siin kallikene.
Okay. No vaata sõltub, et
siin
linnas on ühtemoodi, maal on teistmoodi.
Ja see inimene nüüd tahab kiirustada lihtsalt kiiremini edasi, kuna ees on aeglased. Nad ei tee, neid ei koti, nad lihtsalt teevad nii, kuidas kiiresti saad. Kui sa olid aeglasem kui see laste auto siin.
Kõik sõidame väga aeglaselt siin. Tuleb 50 märk. Ja siin on üldiselt on 70. Väga huvitav.
Minu arust 50 oli praegu rohkem.
Ei seda küll, aga niimoodi maakohas nii-öelda. Et ei ole lubatud siin sõita 90-ga või midagi nii. See on huvitav. Sulle tükk aega Hyundai'd juhtinud. Täitsa tore, et ta jätab üsna selle Sonata mulje.
See ongi üks Sonata.
Ongi või?
Jaa, see nimi ongi üks mingi vana Sonata mudel.
Täitsa mõnus on. Mulle meeldisid need Sonata niisugused jooned, vaata kõik. No nagu, et on nagu seest hästi ilus kuidagi. On nüüd jälle, sõidavad üle või? Ei sõida.
Nii palju valgusfoore.
Ma räägin, siin on täis. Inimeste jaoks peab ka olema ikkagi.
Aga siin ei ole ühtegi inimest.
No, et meil on hästi palju vaata neid ringteid, mitte valgusfoorid, et siis on see, et ise reguleerib, et sa peadki laskma nagu sellega sees tuleb ja sa ei pea seisma asja eest teist taga. Aga noh, sa pead ringe tegema, vaata. Nad seisavad juba järgmise foori taga, nii et vahet pole.
Punane.
Üks kõige aeglasem liiklus, keda ma näinud olen.
Ütleb inimene, kes tuli Eestist, väga väikesest riigist.
30 alloo, näed, et kõik sõidavad, ma ei tea, 50-ga.
우리 엄마는 엄청 운전 너무 조심하게 하고 있어요. 그리고 시간은, 도착 시간은 계속 이렇게 더 멀어진다.
Every country has own culture, traffic culture, how behave in traffic situation.
See tundub natuke nagu mänguauto.
Ei ole väga hea auto, on hästi vaikne on. See on väga meeldiv.
Kolmega minema.
Just kui ta on mingisugune.
Lasteaed või midagi on siin tähtsast. Näitab sinu kiirust, vaata.
12, no ei ole 12. Siin tundub veel lasteaed olema, täitsa ilus lasteaed.
Koolidest. Otsi kohta, kus sa
saad ja ka teine sisse.
낯선 바람이 볼을 스치고 파란 물결이 나를 부르네. 처음 보는 이 섬의 아침 가슴이 자꾸 뛰어 돌담길 따라 걷다 보면 모르는 얼굴도 웃어주네. 제주 너에게 반해서 바다로 뛰어든 이 순간 This is my first time Feels like home 따뜻한 정이 나를 안아줘. 제주 오래 기억할게. 각 잡은 바다 냉 가득 할머니 손끝에 그 마음 말은 안 통해도 알아. 이게 사랑이란 걸. 제주 너에게 반해서 바다로 뛰어든 이 순간 This is my first time Feels like home 따뜻한 정이 나를 안아줘. 제주 오래 기억할게. 천년의 숲 검은 돌 사이로 엄마의 첫걸음이 남아 언젠가 다시